Okay, students, it's time for the spoon relay. You need 1 spoon of any size. I suggest you use a plastic spoon, 1 pair of socks, and 2 flat books. Please make your pair of socks into a sock ball. Once you have your spoon and sock ball ready, you will put your books 10 feet apart. Okay, students, Mr. E is ready for spoon relay. I have my spoon, I have my sock ball, my books are 10 feet apart. My timer awaits me.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Don't forget to flip your book.
11, 12,
Woo!
13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Spoon relay is over for Mr. E. 17 points for the teacher. Students and families, your 1-minute timer awaits you. Good luck.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.